on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. So for today's video, what I want to do is actually I'm going to be heading down to Home Depot right now. The reason for me going to Home Depot is because I'm going to go buy the lips that I make for my DSM. So the number one question that I get asked on Instagram is, where did you get that lip from? You know, when I post pictures of my car, where did you get that lip from? You know, how did you make it or whatever. So I have answered this question before in a previous video of where I got it from and how I made it. But today, you know, I just said, what the heck, why not make a video on it? So I'm gonna go down to Home Depot. I'm gonna go get some JDM lips, and I'll catch you guys when I'm back home, and we'll get started. Alrighty guys, so I made it back home. I went to Home Depot. I picked up everything that I needed, and it's honestly, this is all it is. Check it out. So this is the stuff that I use for the lip. That's what it's called right there, lawn aging. And you get this big huge roll for 10 bucks. I want to say 2, depending on the size of your car, but 2 or 3 lips can come out of this whole thing, depending on the size of your front bumper. But that's that. This is 10 bucks, and you know, just some screws of whatever, doesn't really matter as long as they're not too long, and a drill and a screwdriver. If you don't have a drill, you can just use a screwdriver. It just takes a little bit more time to poking the holes in there, but this is all you need, you know. And honestly, a lot of you guys dig it. So now I'm going to show you guys. I took the lip off my DSM so you guys can see why I needed a lip. So check it out. It looks really bad in my opinion. I hate it because the intercooler sticks out. The intercooler sticks out from the bottom of the bumper. A good piece sticks down. So as you guys see, it really needed that front lip. So that's the reason that I put that lip on, because it looks hideous. I'd rather run it with no bumper than to run it with no bumper than to run it like this. It just looks really bad, and with the lip it makes a huge difference. So there you guys go. That's what it looks like without the lip, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. So here we go, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so like I said, it's really simple to make this thing. First, you know, you just want to take off the little straps that it comes with. So I already went ahead and cut those. And then, so once you have that, the next thing you're going to want to do is to measure it. Measure the lip. So what I like to do is I like to start from an end, and then I grab a screw and I start off with this side of the bumper. Just chop off this little piece that it has right here. So what I like to do, I like to start. So I'm gonna start off on this side, and since I do have holes made already on my car, I'm just gonna go ahead and make a hole on this lip itself, and stick it in the corner. So I go ahead and just put like a little screw. So since I already do have all the holes on my bumper, you know, it won't be as hard as in when if you want to barely start it. So I went ahead and put the screw on there, and then I'm just gonna hang it onto that side, and then I can measure it. Alrighty guys, so check it out. So like I said, I just put a screw just on that corner. all depends where you want it. So also put one thing that I always do. So this thing, it has two sides. You might want to put it this side up and this side down, or this side up, you know, and it down. But the reason that I put this thing up is because it has this little flap. So it has that little flap, and the reason that I put this little flap up is because when I put the screws, I put it under the flap so that you won't even be able to see the screws. So that's why I do it that way. But it's completely up to you. You can flip it around and do it your way, but you know, that's just however you want to do it. I just do it this way. So yeah, so now that I have that corner in place, I'm gonna go ahead and measure it, and then I'll do it to the other side, and then I can cut it. So what I forgot to mention is as you're going, you know, you can it's a lot easier if you put like another screw right here, you know, and another one over there, and then finally go to the corner, just so you know you get a pretty even lip, because it's pretty hard unless if you don't have any help. So I don't have any help like myself, you know, I don't have no one helping me out and holding it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a screw right there, another one in that corner, and then I'll do another one over there. And then once we're all done at the end, we can go ahead and put screws all around the edges. And I did a long time ago, I cut that piece, so it would have been nice if I still had that piece, because I would have had more support. Because when I am driving on the freeway and the wind hits it, you know, the lip bends back a little, so it sucks when I'm taking rolling shots because the lip looks a little bent. But I cut that off a long time ago when I didn't have a lip, because I thought it would look better, but it looks terrible. But yeah guys, let me keep going. Alrighty guys, there you go. What do you guys think? It's simple, and do you guys see these little bumps that are right there? So you can kind of see like some little bumps. All this, if you know, when you're installing yours, if you want to heat it up a bit with a heat gun, and when you're installing it, that would work way better. So you know, you can get it to your fit. Mine's obviously, this is the one that I pulled off. It's been on there for a while, so it's already pretty much got the shape. And this is what I'm talking about, these little bumps right here. So I have these little bumps because I have no support in the front of the bumper. If I had some support, you know, you wouldn't be able to tell as much, but you know, sometimes I just push them out or whatever. But yeah guys, I mean, if you want just something simple and something to look, just, you know, I'm sure it'll work for other cars, not just mine. So what do you guys think? There it is, simple. This is what I have left of the lip. I guess you can say you can make 2 lips out of this whole roll, you know, 2 lips. And also what I wanted to tell you guys is, you guys notice anything different? These wheels are the Evos, and the Evo has the white ones. I had a little bump on these white ones one day, so I pulled them off to put them on the DSM, because I was daily needed to work and I didn't have time to go buy tires. But check it out, Evo looks pretty good. Looks pretty good with those wheels, and so does the DSM. The DSM looks pretty good with those wheels. But I am planning to put the white wheels back on this. Just I don't know, I feel it looks better. But what do you guys think, guys? Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like this video. Just this is a question that I get asked a lot about the lip, so that's where I got it from, and that's how I made it. It's really simple, does not take long at all, and it looks pretty good. so that's that with that lip. I'm gonna go ahead and take that one back off and put the one that I had on, since the one that I have on is already, you know, it's already adjusted to the way it wants to be. This one's still fresh, and since it was all rolled up, you know, for I don't know how long, you know, it's still, once it gets this one, mine honestly, I didn't even heat it up, just with the sun and just being on there for a long time, it just got its own shape. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Alrighty, that was fast. And I put my old lip back on, and there she is. So yeah guys, that was that. As far as the lip goes, it's really simple, really easy, not hard at all, and it's really cheap, 20 bucks, and honestly you can't beat it. Compared to what it looked like, it gives it a way different look than, you know, than how it was. So want to give you guys updates as far as this 2G goes. You guys know that I still have the motor sitting here. Tomorrow I am gonna go pick up a block that one of my buddies has. It's been sitting for a while, and it's been raining on it, like it's, you know, it's just outside. So I'm gonna pick that up, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the machine shop to see if my machine shop guy can save it still. You know, hopefully it's just a little bit of rust over the top, and he can just, you know, give it a rehone or whatever, and it won't be a big issue. So I'm gonna go do that tomorrow, and that's as far as for this, so we can get started on that. On the Evo, I honestly still, my block is still sitting there. I haven't done anything to it, but yeah guys, it just been busy with work. And also guys, not too long ago we went to I had mentioned to you guys that we were gonna go to Supra's in Vegas. I didn't get too much footage because a lot of times I forgot my camera, and I didn't get a lot of footage. So I do have a couple of clips though, and if you guys, you know, want to check them out, you know, some rolling shots of my buddies rolling up to Vegas. So I'll throw those in right now. guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little video of how I did it with my lip and you know where I bought it and stuff. So please hit that subscribe button, please hit the like button. If you guys have any comments, please leave them down below. I'm always up for some tips, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully in the next one, you know, we get moving on this 2G, you know, as far as what the machine shop tells me. And yeah guys, and hopefully start working on this damn Evo as well. But like I said, hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one, guys.